गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। एक नए व्लॉग के साथ आज मेरा बर्थडे है। सो इट्स अ बर्थडे व्लॉग एंड देर आर सो मेनी एक्साइटिंग थिंग्स दैट are planned, so keep watching this video until the end and you'll see many surprises coming on your way. So see you later. So yes guys, दिन की शुरुआत एक्सरसाइज से planning to keep this trend active, that I will work out every day. That's the whole game. So keep watching the videos. I'll share a couple of details later. But yeah, I have one surprise. My wife gave me amazing gift, which I always wanted. So keep watching the video at the end. You will see what exactly I have received as a gift. There's someone.
Hi.
Where are you going?
School.
You excited about school? Today is the last day of school.
Wow.
Yeah.
And today's Christmas celebration.
Tomorrow is Christmas celebration.
Oh. Then after Christmas celebration, holiday.
Yay!
Where are we going on holiday?
Let's see. I don't know. Think
Shall
about
we
it.
go to Ratnagiri again?
We should go.
Or maybe the tree house.
Chalo, chalo, chalo.
Maybe tree house we should go again.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Say bye, guys. See you later.
Bye guys. See you later.
done with my workout. This is my post-workout meal, and heading towards home. I've started my vacation, so it's nice. Birthday starts with vacation. See what is coming through today. Bye. So it's time for the cake cutting, and someone is very excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes.
Today, it's time to cut the cake.
Better.
So I go get my phone from my bedside.
So,
Oh, this is a good background, you know.
so we have got the birthday dinner.
Smile, Dada. Show.
No.
Move, Nabeba.
No, it's okay.
One photo, only birthday boy.
Okay, one photo. Only one photo. Go get my phone from my bedside. Run, run, run.
Where is it? Hey, this is your phone only.
No, no, no. Dadi's phone.
Oh.
Smile.
Oh, this is great, yeah, Mama. This is a great background. I never realized this.
Thank you.
And this is a great.
So it is time to cut the cake.
बसा
हा भाग आहे ना इकडे जातो किती दूर झाली की
वाह वाह चला
I'm here with you, Dada. You paused.
No, it's on.
No, you paused.
No, it's on. Hello, Mr. Wilson.
Hello, Mr. Wilson. It's a birthday.
Oh wow, such a good cake. That is, my god, it's so delicious. Whoa.
Which type of cake is this?
Which type of cake is this? I think it looks like a little.
Rum cake?
No.
No.
No, it's not.
Cream cake.
Yes, and a lot of pistachios I can see.
Where?
See here on the top.
Oh, but I don't need that.
And some flowers.
And these pink are flowers.
Hmm.
Tissue paper.
Come this side, no?
Here.
Sit with me.
We are all family. When I'm gonna cut the cake.
अभी अत्तू आली ना.
Ta-da-ta-da-da-da-da-da-da.
आता काय आता सीन असं आहे की वी आर मेकिंग द व्लॉग.
Family. Okay.
हाँ, सो वो कैमरा से हमारा वो चल रहा है. और so guys, say who's on the call, guys. हाँ,
So the call is.
you tell properly, tell no. हाँ.
So the call is Attu.
Hi.
Just like that. Yeah. Now we're gonna cut the cake a little bit later. Now we're gonna cut the cake.
Okay, let's do it.
Yes. There it comes.
All right. Let's do it.
Candle here.
Candle you want, Dada?
You
No.
want to make a wish, Dada?
Make a wish. And cut the cake.
Okay. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dada.
Happy birthday to you. May God
Nice, thank you.
See,
Tasty.
it's really nice. What
I
is
don't
no?
want it.
happy birthday.
Mmm.
You want?
Happy birthday, Mittu.
Abba. Thank you, Attu.
Have a bit of cream.
थोड़ा सा.
Alright guys, it was amazing day. Birthday celebration बहुत अच्छा हुआ. बड़ा मज़ा आया. फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड, थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट, थोड़ा हेल्थ पे भी ध्यान दिया. एंड क्रिसमस की तैयारी हुई अच्छी. वी थोड़ा क्रिसमस गिफ्ट पैक किए हैं. मे बी आई थिंक आई विल मेक अ व्लॉग ऑन the Christmas day, how it goes. So keep watching these videos, and I hope you like these videos. If you want me to, cover certain different aspect of these vlogs, मुझे बताइए कि आपको क्या देखना पसंद है. मैं क्रिकेट खेलने जाता हूँ, बास्केटबॉल खेलने जाता हूँ, शॉपिंग एंड ऑल दैट. Maybe I'll cover those as well. But yeah, श्राव्या ने मुझे बहुत बहुत हेल्प किया today. श्राव्या, come. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Alright, keep watching and subscribe to my channel.
Channel.
Bye.
Bye.